Welcome to the Kalamazoo Air Museum. Here we have the Grumman Wildcat. I'm going to show you a few things. They pulled this out of the water where it had been for some time, and they completely restored it. As you can see, it was in training in Lake Michigan. This is where they pulled it out 68 years later to restore it. I think it was restored here in the building in the back. We have two buildings here built on donations, right? The Grumman Wildcat. Let's see if we can get this in here like this. Or I'll just show you the mural. It's amazing. The Wildcat was designed by Grumman Aircraft Corporation and used as a standard single-seat mono-wing shipboard U.S. Navy fighter when the U.S. entered World War II in December 1941. It first flew in September 1937 and was accepted by the Navy in August 1939. Its military designation was F4F. The French and British governments also ordered the F4F, but the British called it the Marley. The F4F became the first U.S. designated aircraft to shoot down a German plane, the Junkers Ju-88, on December 25, 1940. In early 1942, production of F4F was transferred to General Motors Eastern Aircraft Division and designated FM. The FM-2 Wildcat featured the Air Zoo is depicted in the paint scheme of aircraft operating from the escort carrier Corregidor in the Pacific Theater. A composite squadron was comprised of fighters and bombers, Wildcats in the major battles of the Pacific. Along with the P-40, it was one of the only U.S. fighters in operation from the beginning to the end of the war. According to Navy statistics, it had a victory to loss ratio 6-9-1. Pretty amazing. Here is where the wing is folded. And here you can see that's how it folds. Pretty interesting. I don't know if I can get a better shot from a different angle or not. Did a fine job. Don't forget the Wall of Honor. There's several of them. I'm not going over all of them. Just get a few of them in here. And come back. Fly again on another day.